Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a Canva design to your Shopify store. It is a simple way to enhance your store with custom visuals. So let's dive right in. First, head over to your Shopify dashboard. On the left-hand menu, click Online Store. Then click Themes. Your current theme will appear here. Just click Customize to start editing. Now, you can add your Canva design anywhere you like. It could be under the header, below featured products, or even in the footer. For this tutorial, let's place it under the featured product section. So let's click Add Section here. And then look for Custom Liquid. If you can't find it, just use the search bar and search for it. Once you've found it, just click on it. And then the liquid code field will appear. This is where we'll place our Canva design. Now, let's head over to Canva. And I will just use this sample design for this tutorial. So let's click on Share. Then just scroll down. Then click See All. Then select Embed. And then click Embed again. And then here, just copy the embed link provided. Now go back to Shopify and paste the embed link into the liquid code field. And that's it. Your Canva design now appears on your Shopify store, right where you placed it. And that's how you add the Canva design to your Shopify store. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.